serious.
Alright, mate.
I'm not doing anything illegal, man. Don't get me.
Watch, here we go.
Don't get them. Don't get them. Nah, leave him. Leave him. Hey, he's a snitch. Watch out. Don't put people on YouTube, man. It's not nice.
It's good.
Don't put me on YouTube, please.
And until
anyway, but
no, you're not. You're doing all right.
So far, so good.
Imagine he ran over your kid, right? How would you feel then?
Well, there's policies in place, you know, insurance, non-play recognition. Then he'll get in trouble. But I see what you're doing. I don't know if I hate
He didn't
you
have too much.
I don't know if I hate you or I respect what you're doing.
I don't hate you. How's that?
Pardon?
I don't hate any of you.
Okay, cool.
Why would I hate you? That would be mad, right?
I appreciate what you're doing, but if you got me, boy,
You would be sad.
I'll be looking to hunt you down.
You could try. I don't think you'd have much luck. I'm not totally stupid. I might be blonde, but I'm not completely stupid.
Have a good one, man. Stay
You
safe,
too.
man.
You too, man.
You've got a bounty on your head, man. Be careful.
You can tell how much I care about physical dangers, not very much.
Anyway, you've got everything recorded anyway. What kind of name, right?
Yeah, I am not reporting these on the wrong side. I'm just going to put them on YouTube.
No.
So,
Name and
we're good.
shame.
That's it.
Right, put the number.
He didn't have much ego, I appreciate that. But there was an old white guy earlier, he was stuck for a long time.
Listen,
There's something wrong with old...
Remember my number plate, yeah? My personal car is a 2008 Volvo, shitty little Volvo. Yeah? Please let me off. I need my license, it's my bread and butter.
That's it.
Okay, please let me off.
I also drive, I have a license too.
Remember this face.
I'll try.
Do not get me fired, alright?
I'll do my best.
My license.
You have a great evening. Thanks for cheering me up.
Likewise, take care.
Toba. At least you didn't have ego, I appreciate that. Go Ishan. Go Ishan, I don't know.